Yesterday, we saw the pound CPI coming out lower than expected at 1.7%, while today, which is Thursday, the euro interest rate came out as the market expected a 0.25% cut in rate. This has resulted to a little bit of move in the market, which is what we'll be looking into right now. Before we go into breaking down the charts, I would like you to subscribe, turn on push notification, and do not forget to leave a like. Also share the video so that so many more people will be able to enjoy this wonderful content. Starting up with the pound, yesterday we saw the pound dropped yesterday, which was this huge drop yesterday. I guess if I'm to look at how many points or pips, you can see we dropped almost about that's about 89 pips drop yesterday, and that gave us enough volatility to take out this low that we talked about during our uh, weekend outlook during the weekend. Now, what am I looking at? Because that's the next thing. Now we've seen this CPI come out. The CPI eventually came out negative, and as you can see, we already have that drop. Now, presently, I'll be looking at price getting drawn to this weekly level of demand, because now, if we've taken this out, I'll be expecting price to get to this low. But this is it. It's not that I'm expecting price to just keep dropping till we get to this point. I'll be looking for buy opportunities if I get a 4-hour fractal shift. So what am I talking about? If I get something like this close above this high right here, I'll be looking to buy the euro to probably any daily available daily supply, something like probably somewhere here, depending on what the market presents to us. So I'll be looking to buy the pound dollar at the moment. But considering the fact that on the daily time frame is taking out this low, because we already have a candle close, we are just waiting for another candle close below again. Much more bearish at the moment. As you can see, I already have myself set up. If price eventually push into this point here, I'll be looking for opportunity to sell to the downside. If I get any opportunity to go short, I'll be taking that. But if we get a candle close above this point, I'll be looking to eventually get a buy opportunity to continue to the upside. So with that already being put aside, let's look at what the euro are for us today. The euro, after the euro interest rate came out at 3.4%, price eventually made its way into this weekly demand, which is right here. This weekly demand is another demand I'm looking to see if we can get some buying coming into the market after 3 consecutive weeks, which 2 consecutive weeks of huge selling. So this week makes it the third week that we are this bearish in the market on euro USD. So right now I'll be looking at to see if we get a 4-hour shift off here, because right now I'm not looking to buy inside of this demand zone. I'm not looking to buy, absolutely not. So what I'll be doing basically is I'll be waiting on the 4-hourly time frame to see price eventually probably take out as much as this high right here. Probably we get a close above this high right here. I'll be looking to see if I get a buy opportunity to take it into this daily supply, because if I go to the daily time frame, you can clearly see we have a daily supply right here. But besides that, what I'm really my overall my bias at the moment is to keep selling euro USD. So I could literally choose not to engage myself in any form of buying until we get into this daily supply for us to eventually look for selling opportunity. I'm more interested in sales right now on EU over buys at the moment. So let's see what the market eventually presents to us. This week has not really been an awesome week for me. The market has been all over the place, so I've not really taken any setups this week. I've just been observing what the market is doing, and I just want the market to give me something that is really clean to work with. So additionally, on GBP CHF, let me just add GBP CHF to this. Nothing special, not gotten anything. I told you guys until we break out of this range that we are. If you look at, we are trading within this high, this previous level of this high and this low. So until we get a close above this previous high or a close below this low, I would choose not to do anything in the market of GBP CHF. Looking at crude oil lastly, eventually we got our drop I talked about during the weekend outlook. I told you that I'm not going to be doing anything except I see a close above this high or below this lows. Now technically we've gotten the break below this low. So what am I looking at the moment? You can see this is, as I told you last week or during the weekend, this is a W formation. We've come to the neckline, now price has even dropped even deeper into this clean demand zone at the, let me remove this, at the low right here. Now we are in this demand zone. I'll keep waiting to see what price eventually make available. If I get an opportunity to buy, I'll be engaging in crude oil. But at the moment, what we have is just literally a mess that I'm not willing to engage myself in. So this is what we have. Market is just moving sideways. I'm not interested in that at the moment. So what I would like to see is for crude oil to eventually drop deep, and then probably we get a push to the upside. Then I'll look for opportunity to buy. So with that already being said, this is my this is what I'm looking at in the market. Please remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like the video, share with people, and let us eventually grow this channel even more bigger. Please, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. I'll take time to eventually look at your question, and then we can keep growing and developing in the market. See you in the next video, and remember this.